Oh, y'all, I gotta talk loud because there's a lawnmower in the background. So right now we're looking at the squash patch again. So earlier I discussed that I pulled the old squash vines up because they was not going to produce anything, I'm pretty sure. And I actually planted 3 more seeds here, right here in this area, and 3 seeds in that area. And also I just planted 2 seeds over there in that hole. So I had this thing kind of mound up, right? Probably about 3 inches a mound, right? I'm gonna say 2 inches above the surface of the ground. Let's say that 2 inches above the above level ground. I had it up here, and I pushed them suckers down, man, about 3 inches. So I thought about, digging the seeds back up. I said, nah, that'd be kind of hard. I don't want to do that. So instead, what I did was just move dirt out of off that section, cleared the mound out and went just a little bit deeper, probably about a good inch over here, right? So now those same 3 seeds I planted here, and the same 2 seeds I planted over there, they're now probably right around about 1 inch deep. Okay, so now we should see germination within 3 to 5 days. And what I'm gonna do to help with a better root system and to keep the bottom of the vine covered is just come back as it grow, right, and just go ahead and create that mound back up. Okay, so that'll make more sense to me. All right, so we'll see how that works. And actually I kind of mound that up on the side a little bit. I'm trying to see if I get more root formation on these things, to help them yield a better harvest. Same thing like I did here. Okay, man, these things are yellow. It's time to pull these things off. All right, anyway, so that's what I did. All right, I'll bring y'all back again. I appreciate y'all for joining me. Thank you.